welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. So today I've got a couple new things to talk about. I actually chased down a Snap-on truck today, and I was able to replace a couple of the tools that I've had broken or missing. So I had a pair of their diagonal cutting pliers, 86 CFs, which are smaller than these. They were out of them, so he gave me an 87 ACF as a replacement, and I think it's pretty nice. It's got a beefier head, it's got a flat back, and I think it'll work out pretty well. They do need to be kind of worked in, as most new Snap-on things do, but it made it so that my Irwins aren't really a direct replacement for them anymore, because the Irwins are a smaller plier with a different head on it. So anyway, got those today. I also was able to replace a broken hook pick that I had. I think I broke that on camera doing the Mercedes audio system installation. So I got that. I was missing a #1 Phillips for this set. So I picked one of those up as well. So now this set is back to being complete. And then last but not, well, I also have a long broken hook pick, but he was out of those, so I'm waiting for him to get another one in. But last but not least, I picked up this DC circuit tester, which seems pretty cool. So it is a cord-free DC circuit tester. So, you know, it's like a test light, like one of these guys. So the way that this functions is you put this on a negative battery terminal somewhere on the car, and you take this and you look for power, and it lights up when there's power. This guy is high impedance, and it uses your body as the ground. So I don't know if I have anything here that I could test it with, but basically you hold this with your hand, and your hand presses against this metal bar that's on the back of it. And then you touch the car in a place where there's ground, like any metal part or anything like that. And then when you touch power with this, it actually beeps and lights up. So I tested it out inside his truck. It works pretty well. So get to use that on the next electrical project, whatever that may be. I also picked up a set of spark plugs for the Mini Cooper. I don't believe that they were ever done. And I didn't get an owner's manual or a service manual with the car, or a service guide, I guess, a maintenance guide with the car. So I found one yesterday on Mini Cooper's website. I downloaded and printed it. It was 240 pages. I get printers for free, so anyway. The spark plugs are supposed to be done at 60,000 miles, and the car has 61 on it, and I doubt that they were done because they're like $25 a piece. So I picked up a set of the NGK laser iridiums. They're the OEM plug. They're 94201 is the part number, so I'll do a video on getting those installed, gapping them, etc. But I'm expecting that the other ones are crappy, and honestly it runs a little rough at the beginning when you first start the car. Last but not least, I received a package today with, well, I received 2 packages today. So first, I have this, which came from Amazon. I received an Amazon package today, a box that actually had packing material in it. Like, I can't even, mind is blown. So I opened up another one of these on camera a couple days ago. It was black in color, and I really liked it. So I ordered a couple different colors of them. I'm going to have a set. I'm going to have a couple different ones on my desk. But so this is a headphone stand. It's from Navaris. They're about $27 on Amazon. They make them in like 6 different colors. So this is obviously the white. They do have a black as well, and the black one I opened a couple days ago. But I'm now to a point where I've got like 4 pairs of headphones, so having hands free with them I just felt was appropriate. So here is my newest set of headphones. So these are from Drop, Mass Drop, or drop.com. And these are a set of Hifiman HE-X4s. So these are supposed to be one of the better, they're a planar headphone, which I don't have any planar headphones right now, so I thought that'd be nice to try that and see how they sound. So this is how the box arrived. It says right on it what it is, Drop plus Hifiman HE-X4. I'll take a knife and open up the box. And so there's foam on top, and then inside that's what it looks like. So this packaging isn't as good as the Emotivas or the Sennheisers that I unboxed, I will say that, but I don't think it's bad. There's a reasonable amount of space and padding all the way around it. There is a mark on the headphones from rubbing on the packing material, but it does seem to wipe off with a little bit of water, liquid, anything. So these are what they look like. HE-X4, it's written in black on black here. They've got adjustable height on the left and right. There aren't notches to adjust the height, so they just kind of sit there. These are pivots on both sides, and they are, still an open back headphone, so I can very clearly hear everything going on around me, the kids at the bus across the street, etc. They came with headphone cables that look pretty similar to my Emotivas, although they are a little bit different in that these are a 2.5 millimeter size, and I think the Emotivas are a 1.5 millimeter size. This cable isn't as long as the other ones were. It's about 5 feet in length. They're labeled right and left. They're 2.5 millimeter. I don't really understand why they did, so there's a tip and 2 rings, TRS, and really these are mono, so they don't need to be TRS, so I don't understand. Maybe they're just using the connector because the connector is readily available. But they did do that. Another rub mark on the bottom of them. So I think some soft touch material inside the packaging would be nice. It would keep it from having to be cleaned when you receive them. They would show up more new. They are comfortable. They don't push on my head. I can still hear the things going on around me, which is nice. They do come with an 1/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. The connector on the end of it is a right angle, which is a little different than the other headphones that I've talked about in the past couple of weeks. And like I said, the cable is a little shorter. I'm not saying that it's short, but it's, I'm 5'10", it like hits the top of my shoe when I'm wearing them. I think the Emotivas and the Sennheisers were both about 7 feet. So I'll give a review after I've had an opportunity to listen to them and see how they sound, and, get them broken in, etc. So a couple weeks. Here, I'll put them on the stand here so we can kind of see how they look. And so I do like the stands, and they have these colors that seem kind of goofy. They have like a camel color, like a red BMW interior almost. They have this white color, they have a blue and a green and a yellow, and at first I was like, I don't really want a rainbow on my desk, but then, I don't know, it's kind of, it makes the headphones pop because they're white and black headphones, so I think that it's unique. And I like the stand. I like this stand better than the wooden stand, to be honest with you. I think that this doesn't hold the headphones out as far. It's easier to put them on and take them off, and this leather material is going to keep my these ear foams from being worn, from being on them, being taken on and off of them all the time. So I'll give you guys a review. I'm also gonna do a video coming up soon on the iPhone and all of the iPhone adapters and getting high quality audio out of the iPhone. I've got the Ego DAC, I've got the the lightning to headphone cables. I've got a bunch of different options to make this work, and I can talk about them and how they work and which ones work best and kind of all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.